Hi, I'm Maureen, and I'm part of Group 1. And I am working on a second grade science lesson with my colleagues Karen, Kelly, Jumi, and Michelle. We have chosen our solar system and planets as our topic. I hope you enjoy this video and story about our solar system. Let's begin. Our solar system is made up of the sun and 8 planets. We used to have 9, but perhaps we can get into that another day. What is a planet? Well, a planet is a large ball made up of rock or gas. Each planet orbits or travels around the sun, and the sun is at the center of the solar system. Here's a picture of the sun and our planets. The sun is not a planet. The sun is a star. It is a ball of hot gas. It gives off light and heat. But why does the sun look different from the other stars? I'll tell you why. The sun is the star closest to Earth. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It's also the smallest. It has mountains and craters. What are craters? Well, craters are holes in the ground that were made when space rocks crashed into it. Wow. Venus is the hottest planet. It's hot enough to melt a rocket ship. Wow. Venus is about the same size as Earth. And Earth is where we live. Earth is our home. It is also the only planet with oceans. In fact, the Earth is covered mostly with water. That is why it's called the blue planet. Next comes Mars. Mars is called the red planet. It has reddish dirt. It also has mountains, volcanoes, ice caps, and canyons. A canyon is a deep, narrow valley with steep sides. Next comes the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. It is made of thick gases. Very strong winds blow on this planet. Next comes the planet Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet. It has rings around it, and these rings are made of rock, dust, and ice. Next comes Uranus. Uranus was the first planet to be discovered using a telescope. It is cold and windy there. Last but certainly not least, we have Neptune. And Neptune is the coldest planet because it is the farthest from the sun. This planet is made of gases. I hope you learned something today, and I thank you for watching. Have a great day, everybody.